Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Tribit FlyBuds free with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Charge them for like 20 minutes by using the USB-C port right here. And also remember to disconnect them from previously connected devices. And next, you can just simply open this charging case. And right now, you will hear after a few moments that they are in the pairing mode. As you can see, also this indicator starts blinking like that. It means that we are successful in the pairing mode. So what we have to do right now, on our Android device, we have to go to the Bluetooth, then click to pair new device. And now just wait until you find your FlyBuds free on the list. Click on them once, accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. If you have any connection issue with this buds, you can just watch our another tutorial with this Tribit earbuds. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you liked it.